Our trip is very last person. Everybody going through. Say hi.
Hola.
Hola. ¿Cómo estás? All right, it's here. Finally. It's time to go! Thank you. Yes. I'm not single, I'm married. Yeah, I'm married. Okay. So, I think this is it. It says 4022A. Well, this ain't 4022. Well, let's go. He said to the left anyway. Or maybe he said to the right. Do we go upstairs? What is it, y'all? 40. Here's my room, guys. Just thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. decision. I'm definitely going without that. Let's not eat on the resort tonight. Good morning, everyone. So we have a breakfast date today with Luis, who is our driver. He's taking us somewhere, and excuse me. He's gonna take us to breakfast, and then we're probably gonna go to the city and just see a few things and do our gift shopping, get that out the way. So I'm taking my camera, so we'll be taking you guys along the journey.
Come back.
I fucked up big time. Me too. So of course I like spice. Everybody here could have warned me.
I'm sorry. No, that's what I put on.
Nobody warned me.
What you said when I had the edible?
You just got here. So now that we've done eating and I burnt my freaking mouth off, we're gonna go buy us some tequila. Some tequila to take back home to the family. I did a little bit of shopping too for the babies. And we're standing so close to the street. Hopefully we don't get hit. What was the name? Oh, a Mexican just told me that, not yet, he likes my eye brushes. And I thought that was really, really funny. My eye brushes. Okay. Operation Get Tequila. What you say?
Here, okay?
Yeah, that's
So
what
check
you
this
like.
out. Triple distilled, triple filtered. This is called codicia, which means desired. Look for it and famous. Go ahead and try this, guys.
Alright. Here we go. Always have to be trying.
Triple
some
distilled,
tequila.
triple filtered. Here you guys go. Really smooth. 10 times better than Jose Cuervo Patron. You guys in the city, in the land of tequila. Look at that.
Oh, it is smooth.
Uh-huh.
It don't give me the shape.
No, you can actually enjoy it. See that? All right, now check this out. I got you guys kiwi, pear, pineapple, lime, sweet, sour, tart. This is dragon fruit, sour sop, guanabana. Here you guys go. Kiwi, pear, pineapple, lime, sweet, sour, tart. This is dragon fruit, delicious. We manufacture that. We make it. It's delicious.
That's
See
good.
That? Serve it all nice on the rocks and just enjoy.
I want that one.
Hold
How
on.
much is it?
Hold on. I got you guys mango, papaya, guava, and pineapple. Passion fruit. Mango, papaya, guava, and pineapple.
We're gonna be so drunk.
Mango, papaya, guava, and pineapple. Delicious.
Yeah, that's good too.
You see that?
I
Pretty
like
good.
the first one though.
All right, I got you guys hibiscus, sweet, sour, and dry. Sweet, sour, dry. Check this out. Hibiscus, sweet, sour, dry. And these are all tequilas. That first one we tried, which is this one, we take this one, throw the fruit inside, let it ferment for 4 months. This is your finished product with the natural fruit. Hibiscus,
right.
Jamaica. Look at that, nice, huh? Being you guys know what tamarind is? Tamarindo?
I don't want that one.
Tamarind?
What is that one?
Tamarindo.
Tamarind, it's like a sour, it's
A
like
sour, citrusy,
Yeah.
sweet and sour. Okay, we'll
I'll
forget
try
about-
that one.
You wanna try it?
Yeah.
It's actually pretty good.
Okay.
If you guys have Jamaican roots, you guys are gonna know
Yeah,
what it
I
is.
tasted it in Caribbean. It's
Yeah.
kids.
It's sweet, sour, citrusy. It tastes like raisins, peaches, and plums. It's citrusy, sour, and refreshing. Okay, forget about that. But it's actually it's an acquired taste. All right, check this out. I got you guys.
Oh, guys, our
margarita.
taxi is waiting right there
Pre-made
for
lemon
us.
lime. Margarita pre-made lemon lime. Here you guys go try that. Margarita pre-made lemon lime.
How drunk are you trying to get us?
Really happy. There
Okay.
you guys go. Margarita pre-made lemon lime. That's delicious. Serve it on ice on the rocks. You guys okay with Fireball?
Oh, I love Fireball.
You're gonna love this then. 10 times better. This is Mexican Fireball, okay? This is delicious. Full flavor, no bad burn. I'm gonna give you a drop.
A drop.
You're gonna love it. It's delicious. Look. Look at that.
No
10
burn.
times.
Not a
No
drop.
burn, full flavor, and it goes on really smooth. 10 times better.
Slow
It's actually
down.
delicious.
Hold on.
Yeah, it's good. The Fireball is really good. You can play with the Fireball. You can mix them too as well. This and the passion fruit, this and the kiwi pear.
Okay, this
You
just
can
tastes
mix.
more
Fireball is
sweet.
really
And
It tastes like cinnamon gum
Yeah.
or Big Red, yeah. All right, I got you guys root beer and cream soda. You guys like root beer cream? You're gonna love this. Root beer and cream soda. Here you
Just a
guys
little.
go. Root beer cream soda. This is a dessert.
I gotta make it
Not
home
dessert.
safe.
He must know I'm a lightweight.
Here you go. Enjoy,
She
guys.
about to
Root
be
beer
done
cream
for.
cream soda.
Like right now.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, it is. It's delicious. Serve it on ice, on the rocks, and just enjoy it. All right, check this out. I got you guys coffee, roasted,
Oh, no
toasted,
coffee.
and infused. This is an espresso. This is delicious.
She gonna love that.
Serve it with milk.
Yeah, she likes
turn it
that
on
type.
with ice, whipped cream. It turns into a mocha. Delicious. That is good. Yeah, it is. We burnt the coffee, we caramelized it, we smashed it, roasted, and
That's
infused
good.
it. So you can
That's
taste
fucking
that.
good.
It's really
I don't care
good.
what you say.
Ice cream inside your coffee, on the rocks, whatever you guys want. Delicious.
Our taxi
Nice.
is waiting
I
on
got
us.
you guys coffee, I got you guys root beer, Fireball, I got you guys margarita.
He can never say that.